In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create currency watermark on Tradingview chart. If you're someone who regularly analyzes financial charts, you know how important it is to stay organized and have all the information you need right at your fingertips. One way to enhance your charting experience is by enabling a watermark that displays key details like the currency pair or symbol directly in the background of your Tradingview chart. This simple feature can save you time, reduce errors, and provide clarity, especially when managing multiple assets. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to open Tradingview in your browser. Tradingview offers a powerful platform for chart analysis, and this will be our starting point for customizing the chart layout. Simply type tradingview.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once the site loads, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in now. This step is essential because logging into your account ensures that you have access to your saved chart settings and preferences, making the process smoother. Once you're logged in, look toward the upper part of the screen and click on the Products option. This menu gives you access to a range of tools and features that Tradingview offers. From the drop-down list, select the Charting tool. This tool is the heart of Tradingview, allowing you to create, view, and customize your charts. Now that you're in the charting area, navigate to the layout or grid view that you want to work with. This is where you'll be adding the watermark. Next, move your cursor to the open grid area of your chart. That's the section where the price data is plotted. It's important to avoid clicking on the toolbars or navigation bars around the chart. Focus only on the open grid area. Once you're in the right spot, right-click directly on the grid. When you right-click, a contextual menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. In some versions of Tradingview, you might see this option labeled as Canvas or Chart Settings instead. Don't worry if the wording is a little different. Just look for something that opens the settings panel for your chart. Now that you're in the settings window, look for the watermark option. This might be located under a specific tab depending on your Tradingview version, but it's usually easy to find. Once you've located it, you'll see a checkbox or toggle next to the word watermark. Go ahead and enable it. By default, watermarks are often hidden, so this step will make the watermark visible on your chart. After enabling the watermark, you may notice additional customization options available. For example, you might have the option to display the symbol, the exchange, or all the details together. Take a moment to select the level of detail you want. If you're managing multiple charts or assets, enabling all the details can be helpful for better orientation. This way, the watermark provides more complete information at a glance. Now, here's an important step. Verify that the watermark dynamically updates as you switch between different assets or currency pairs. This means that if you change the chart to display a different stock, cryptocurrency, or forex pair, the watermark should automatically adjust to show the correct symbol or details. This dynamic updating helps you avoid confusion and ensures that your charts remain accurate and easy to interpret. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and customized a currency watermark on your Tradingview chart. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how you view and manage your charts. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and explore these features yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.